Hello, how you doing? Look, we've got this lamb on the go today. Boneless, beautiful, super tender, Arab style, kind of Gulf Khaliji style, cinnamon, garlic, thyme, chili, other beautiful spices. Really easy to make. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get straight in on this one today. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. Cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns and 6 green cardamoms. Just going to let them do their thing in this oil. We're on a medium heat just for 60 seconds. Now here's our lamb. There's no bone in there, a little bit of fat. Cube that up. Let's drop that all in. There's around 500 grams or about a pound, slightly over maybe. Medium heat, 7 to 8 minutes. So just to let you know that this is leg of lamb that I've used, but you could use a different cut, no problem. 1 cup of onion, in that goes. Quite a lot of garlic I'm going for this, so over a tablespoon, maybe 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. Then we're going to add salt and black pepper to taste. And again, we're going to go for about another 7 or 8 minutes, stirring every now and then. So that's cooking really nicely. Now what I like to do is I'm going to add some water now, 250 ml of water. And I'm just going to burn that water out. That's going to really help the lamb cook and be really nice and tender. So about another 6 or 7 minutes. Just want to kind of dry it out a little bit. As it evaporates, like I say, it's going to help tenderize that meat. Okay, so that's drying out. You don't have to get it completely dry. But what we've done is really help that lamb cook nicely. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh chili. You don't have to, it's just optional. I like that in there. Let's take a look at some spices. We've got 2 teaspoons of coriander and then 1 teaspoon of thyme, cumin and chili powder. In that goes. And let's give that a little mix. Next up, we're going to be adding some tomato paste. Here we go. That's 270 grams. You know these little kind of Tetra Pak things? That's 2 of those. We're going to cook this. You really need to cook the paste out. So we're going to go for about another 6 or 7 minutes on a medium heat. Stir well. Okay, off goes the heat. Really important to kind of cook that paste out. Really give it a good cooking there. Check that for salt. It's going to be great for me. You've got yourself a really nice, kind of dryish fry lamb there. Middle Eastern style. Beautiful. And there you go. Beautiful. That's nice with rice or with some kubus or bread or something like that. Nice tender pieces of lamb there. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.